G'day team, let's have a look how we can mount the BlackMOA cassette toilet on its own sliding plate, which we have designed specifically for this purpose. So that's the plate, comes with the rails. So basically the rails were designed now come with a plate, right? So right here, it's pretty simple. We turn the toilet upside down, just like, right. Now we'll grab the plate, and the side which has the wheels will face this way, which has the door. Just put on there, will match with the holes on the BlackMOA toilet's bottom plate with the holes here, just like that. Alright, now you will need these small biddies, that's around 4 mm, and that's all. We'll go in there, show you in a sec. See this down here, so just bring them out from here, just like that. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's tight and sturdy. Alright, now you can see it's nice and tight and sturdy on there. It has a lock, just there, and that one there. Alright, put it back, just like that. Simple as. These couple of small screws will go down there on the rails, and job done. That's it. Just lock there now.